They came in silence. They left in silence. But they did not leave empty-handed. On the ground where the spacecraft had stood, 3 objects remained. Nobody touched them for 6 hours. Nobody dared. The first object was a small glowing cube. No buttons, no screens, no instructions, just light pulsing from within, like a heartbeat. Scientists spent 3 weeks trying to understand it. Then one night a young intern accidentally touched it, and the entire room filled with stars. Not a projection, not a hologram. The actual universe, right there in the room. Every galaxy, every planet, every solar system, all visible, all real. They had given us a map of everything that exists. The second object was a cylinder made of material nobody on Earth had ever seen before. It was lighter than air, but harder than diamond. It did not conduct electricity. It did not react to heat. It did not age. Material scientists called it impossible. Then they started trying to replicate it. Within 2 years, humanity had construction material that could withstand any natural disaster. Buildings that could survive earthquakes. Bridges that could never collapse. The third object was the most important and the most terrifying. It was a message, not in words, not in symbols, but in feeling. Anyone who held it felt the same thing instantly. The weight of time, the smallness of human conflict, the urgency of what was coming, because buried inside that message was a warning. Something was heading towards Earth, something that had destroyed civilizations before, and we had less time than we thought. But alongside a warning was a solution. They had faced this before. They had survived, and now they were telling us how. The question was, would humanity listen? Would we put down our weapons long enough to actually save ourselves? We had the knowledge now. We had the tools. We had the map. All we needed was the will. They watched us from a distance for 50,000 years, waiting for this moment. The moment we were ready. Are we? Nothing on Earth will ever be the same again. Part 3, coming soon.